So, what are some common reasons for an F-1 denial? Welcome to U.S. Immigration Simplified. I'm immigration and business attorney Ronald Lee. Getting an F-1 student visa denial can be disappointing, but understanding the reasons behind it can help you address issues before reapplying. One of the most common reasons is failure to demonstrate non-immigrant intent. Applicants must prove they intend to return to the home country after completing their studies. Insufficient ties to home country, such as lack of property, family, or job commitments. Inability to articulate post-graduation plans. How do you avoid this? Provide strong evidence of ties to your home country, such as family obligations, job offers, or assets. Clearly explain your career plans and how your U.S. education fits into them. Two is financial insufficiency. Applicants must demonstrate they can afford tuition, living expenses, and other costs during their stay in the U.S. Some common issues: bank statements showing insufficient funds, lack of a consistent financial sponsor or unclear funding sources, over reliance on loans without proof of repayment ability. How do you avoid this? Submit accurate and detailed financial documentation, such as bank statements, scholarship awards, sponsor affidavits, and ensure funding sources are legitimate, clear, and sufficient to cover your program. Three is inadequate preparation for your visa interview. Applicants must confidently and clearly explain their study plans and intentions. Inability to answer basic questions about your program, university, or career goals increases the likelihood of your visa getting denied. How do you avoid this? Research your program, university, and career path thoroughly. Practice answering common visa interview questions. Four, suspicion of fraud or misrepresentation. All information provided must be truthful and accurate. Submitting fraudulent documents, such as fake financial statements or acceptance letters, providing inconsistent information during the interview or on forms. How do you avoid this? Ensure all documents and statements are genuine and consistent. Double check all information on your application forms to ensure they are correct and accurate. Lack of academic preparation. Applicants must demonstrate they are academically qualified to study in the chosen program. Some common issues include weak academic records or test scores, inability to explain why they chose a specific program or university. How do you avoid this? Highlight your academic achievements and any relevant skills or experience. Provide a clear explanation for choosing the program and how it aligns with your career goals. Six is overstaying or violating previous U.S. visa conditions. Applicants must have a clean history. Some common issues would be previous visa overstays or violations of visa conditions, history of unauthorized employment while in the U.S., and you avoid this by being honest about past immigration issues and providing explanations if applicable. Demonstrate that you understand and will comply with F-1 visa rules. And seven, weak ties between studies and career goals. The program of study must clearly connect to the applicant's career plans. Some common issues include unclear or vague explanation of how the degree fits into future goals and switching fields without a strong justification. You avoid this by articulating how the chosen program would advance your career in your home country. Provide examples of job opportunities or career paths that require the degree. If you need help with your F-1 visa, feel free to text me at 312-804-1386 or email me at ronald@rdllawgroup.com.